Well, this property that we're standing on now is called Fallgate Farm, and we've owned it for 50 years now.
Heartland is a brilliant business. It is a family-owned business. We take our product from paddock to packet.
And Heartland is the only New Zealand-owned potato chip factory.
It is a real family business. We have 3 children, James, Charlotte and Kate, and they're all involved.
So my role in the business is purely on the farm, day-to-day running of the operation, growing the potatoes, growing a variation of crops actually to keep a rotation for the potatoes.
At Heartland Potato Chips, I oversee everything. So from the production of the potato chips right through to sales in stores and overseeing marketing as well.
I think it works purely because we're a close-knit family and a very honest family with each other, and probably also driven by the same end goal or end result, which is producing a good product in the packet.
So between Heartland Potato Chips and Fallgate Farm, which is in the South Canterbury region, we employ around 45 staff, a few extra in seasonal times, but it is exciting and we're just so proud to be part of this community.
Well, ASB came along just at the right time in our farming with the both operations, Heartland and the farming.
At ASB, we love working with businesses like Heartland and Fallgate Farms. It comes down to the people. I mean, we're working with a family over the generations of really good people. When we look at a business like this, it's vertically integrated. It's just inspirational to see a family that's been farming all their life then go into producing the potato chips, the brand, the marketing and everything that goes with it. The benefits of being a local banker is that you know the farms, the people, the environment, the soils, the irrigation, how it all pulls together. That is really important to be able to help our customers.
Kiwis love potato chips and we're finding that once consumers try our product, they really love it. So the next step for us is to still be innovative, to still continue on making exciting products for consumers and also to try and grow our brand throughout New Zealand.